A good research question is the foundation of successful research, but developing a strong one can be difficult. Here are some tips for strong research questions. Consider what about your topic you are interested in to make your question more specific. Brainstorm specifics for the who, what, how, why, where, and when of the topic. You can apply the ideas you come up with in your brainstorm to develop a strong research question. As an example, let's take the topic of climate change. First, let's think about who's involved in this issue. We're all involved in some way, but a few specific populations might include residents of urban areas, the elderly, energy companies, or climate activists. Then let's think about what. What are related aspects, subtopics, or similar issues? For instance, we might think about extreme weather, like heat waves or floods, transitions to renewable energy, or climate change denialism. Now, how? How does your topic connect to society, communities, culture, politics, economics, etc.? We might want to learn more about how climate change affects public health, the economy, our food supply, or government policy on climate change. Then why? Why does this topic matter to you, and why should it matter to others? We are all experiencing the impact of climate change now, and future generations will continue to experience it. It's important for us to understand the issue well. Then where? What geographic areas are you interested in? Maybe we're interested in focusing on what's happening here in DC, but we could also look at what's happening across the United States or in other areas such as Central America or the Caribbean. And then when? Is there a particular period of time that you're interested in? Most often, we'll be looking at the present, but sometimes we may want to research what was happening in a specific time period, either by itself or in comparison to what's happening now. Connecting one or more of the ideas from a brainstorm like this one can help you create a stronger, more focused research question that will be easier to research and answer. So let's identify some potential research questions, starting from the topic of climate change, which is very broad. We might come up with, how should local governments in urban areas address the impact of heat waves on the elderly? What is the effect of climate change denialism on United States federal policy on renewable energy? Or, how are farmers adapting to the effect of climate change on agriculture in the Caribbean? These are just a few of the many potential research questions we could identify using the ideas in this brainstorm. If you have any questions about research questions or would like help developing one, ask a librarian.